Hi everyone, Richard here from English with Richard. Today we're diving into one of the more stylish features of advanced English, inversion and emphatic structures. These are the tools that make your sentences sound dramatic, elegant and, well, very C1. We'll cover negative adverbials like never, scarcely, seldom, and conditional inversion like had I known. And don't worry, I'll be giving you clear examples you can use straight away. So let's learn and grow. So dive in. Okay, let's start with a warm-up. Here are two sentences. Which one sounds more dramatic? I have never seen such chaos. Never have I seen such chaos. Of course, the second one. That's inversion in action. It flips the word order to create emphasis. Presentation. Let's break down the main structures. 1. Negative adverbials with inversion. Words like never, scarcely, seldom move to the front. Little did, for surprise or unexpected outcomes. 3. Conditional inversion. Instead of if I had known, we say had I known. So let's look at each with 3 examples. Negative adverbials. Never have I tasted such a delicious meal. Scarcely had the meeting begun when the fire alarm went off. Seldom do politicians admit their mistakes. These structures highlight how unusual or rare something is. 2. Little did. Little did she know that her words would change her life. Little did we expect the train to be on time. Little did he realise how difficult the exam would be. This form is brilliant for storytelling and surprise. 3. Conditional inversion. Had I known about the traffic, I would have left earlier. Had they listened to advice, they might have succeeded. Were he to apologise, she might have forgiven him. This makes your conditionals sound elegant and formal, perfect for essays, debates, or even persuasive speeches. Guided practice. Now let's transform neutral sentences together. Normal. I rarely go to the cinema. Inversion. Seldom do I go to the cinema. See the difference? Try rewriting 3 of your own sentences at home with inversion. Communicative task. Here's your challenge. Debate this statement. Technology improves life. But you must use at least 3 emphatic inversions. For example, never before has technology advanced so quick. Seldom do we consider the negative effects of social media. Had we relied less on machines, perhaps we would be healthier. Give it a go and let me know your examples in the comments. Okay, feedback and let's wrap up. Remember, negative adverbials add drama. Little did creates surprise. Conditional inversion makes your English more elegant. Master these and your English will sound instantly more sophisticated. Homework. Homework. For homework, rewrite 10 news headlines using inversion. For example, normal. The Prime Minister has rarely faced such criticism. Inversion. Seldom has the Prime Minister faced such criticism. This is the best way to make inversion natural for you. That's it for today's lesson on inversion and emphatic structures. Stay classy, stay curious, and always learn and grow. See you on the flip side. Ta-ra a bit.